To give you a better understanding of the subscriptions, I will give you a few examples. So for example, if I want to get a notification for every time someone changes the status in a to-do I am working on, I go to level portfolio, then level name, I select Aufgaben, or to-dos in English. Then I select the group I want about the status it is. Then the sub-level name, I want all the statuses. I can also say I only want when this change to work in progress, but this time I want all. So I select all. I want it from all the items I have to write to. And the frequency, I want this notification instantly. And I click the plus. So now this is my new subscription. Now for another subscription, I want to get it for the workflow approval of a to-do. So I select the Aufgaben, the group I want it for workflow final approval. Sublevel name, I want both of them. Then the scope, I want it again for all the items. And I also want to receive this instantly so I can approve a workflow as soon as possible. Then for the last one, I want to know if someone has changed to project manager. Then I go to Taalproject group. I will select the roles because project manager is a role. And the sub-level name, I want to know if they are Taalprojectleider or project manager in English. Then the scope, I want it also for other items. And the frequency, I want this every week. So I click the plus. And now these are my 3 subscriptions.